Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the drain hose assembly in your dishwasher, you will need to uninstall the appliance. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Use a 5/8" wrench to unthread the water supply line fitting from the shutoff valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the lower access panel. Unthread the screws securing the inner access panel. Lift up the panel to detach. Remove the nut and bolt securing the grounding wire to fully remove the panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires. Then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the wire strain relief nut and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer. Feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the front legs to lower the appliance. Now, very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and slide out the lower dish rack. Use needle nose pliers to rotate the water panel grill counterclockwise to remove. Lift up the insulation and detach the pressure hose from the water panel retaining clip. Now break off the retaining clamps securing the water valve hose to the water panel. Pull off the hose. Release the spring clamp to detach the drain pump hose from the pump. Detach the two drain hose retaining clips and remove the clips from the hose. You can now pull the old drain hose assembly free. Prepare the new drain hose assembly for installation by first unthreading the grill from the water panel. Now attach the new drain hose to the appropriate port on the new water panel and secure it with a clamp. Attach the new drain pump hose and use a clamp to secure. Feed the opposite end of the drain hose out the back of the dishwasher. Confirm you have sufficient slack to install the water panel. Then position the retaining clips on the drain hose and snap them into the base. Attach the drain pump hose to the drain pump and secure with a clamp. Attach the water valve hose to the panel and use a clamp to secure. Make sure the gasket is in place, then position the water panel and secure it by rotating the grill clockwise. Hook the pressure hose onto the retaining clip. Replace the lower dish rack. Realign the insulation. Make sure the water supply line and drain hose are accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box. Secure the strain relief nut. Connect the wires using the wire nuts. Align the cover and replace the screw to secure. Secure the grounding wire to the inner access panel with the nut and bolt. Set the panel in place and rethread the screws to secure. Realign the outer access panel and secure it with the screws. Feed the water supply line through the cabinet and reattach it to the shutoff valve. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.